Users of SMS-man. Today's video is going to be about one of our most famous services, which our customers use a lot. It's going to be about a Payoneer. In today's video, we will learn how to solve the problems which everyone face when they try to register on it. So, without further interruption, let's just start. So let's talk about Payoneer and know what is it. So Payoneer is a counter key to unlock a universe of opportunities, whether you can make international payments, receiving funds, managing your digital business, or accepting capital. Payoneer opens to your business up to the world. It can go to partner for digital commerce everywhere. You can be a freelancer, e-commerce, content creator, digital marketer. You can use it for traveling and music royalties. So let's see about the Payoneer. As you can see, Payoneer is the world's go-to partner for digital commerce and everywhere, in any market. It has 5 million customers, 2,000 employees, 24 global offices, and supports more than 35 languages. This is a result of working in Payoneer in 2021. They launched new digital purchasing MasterCard. And the main thing, their mission is that they defined by connectivity and openness, where everyone, anywhere is empowered to participate and succeed as a global citizen of a single digital company. Everyday pioneers imagine, engineer, and inspire their customers. Their customers' global commerce at the end of the day is about the people, so they strive to provide the most advanced services by focusing on their customers' business needs. Payoneer's 1,500 employees are based in 21 global offices. They come to work each day and collaborate with one goal in mind, helping their customers to succeed. And just to know what does Payoneer and how do they go beyond, there are enough companies that will tell you what they can do. For example, the transparency of the Payoneer. They value integrity and honesty, and are working constantly to encourage open communication. The humility, the knowledge that they are only here thanks to their customers. They go beyond here to make a positive impact. They believe that everyone, regardless of location and culture, deserves an equal opportunity to succeed. And they are a creative problem solvers, based to take actions. They do not let anything get in the wrong way. Also, they strive to maintain consistency in delivering superior experience and service. So now let's try to sign up in the Payoneer. Okay, so first of all we need to press the get started button, and after it select the type of business. In our case it will be individual, so we fill the fields: the first name, the last name, the email address, re-enter the email address, use the date of birth. I'll just use a random date of birth and enter the code below. After entering the code, we just need to press the next button. And now we need to fill the fields. Country United States, state California, with random address, copy it and paste it in the street and number. Now the city, it's Murrieta in our case. Paste the postal zip code, of course. Now the phone number. We just go to the Sms-man, purchase a number, copy it and paste it. Now we press the button get a send code and get the code from our system. So ID details. Now just fill the remaining bars. And don't forget to tick mark that you are agree to the terms and conditions and privacy and cookie policy, and also you are agree to the pricing and fees. So congratulations, your Payoneer account application has been submitted successfully and just waiting for the review. That's all. And that's all. I hope you liked the video, so please don't forget to press the like button, leave comments and wait for our new videos. See you soon.